Still under integration by substitution. In case if today is your first time of coming across my video, you can find me on TikTok, on Facebook, you can find me on YouTube channels and as well on Instagram. So what I do is to take a particular topic in mathematics and solve like 4 or 5 examples on it, then move to another topic. Okay, now let's take this as example 9. If you check my page, I've done example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, example 5, 6, 7. I get it, and it's still counting. Now we have integral tan x dx. How do we integrate this one? Very simple. Okay, so we have integral tan x dx. The first thing you do is to interpret this guy. So we have sine x over what? Cos x. Then we have the x. That is tan x. As you all know, tan x means what? Cos sine x divided by what? Cos x. Okay? So what's the next thing? You put what? U to be cos x. You put u to be what? Cos x. Okay? Then what's the next thing? Differentiate the u. Differentiate u with respect what? To x. So when you do that, you are going to have the u over what? Over the x. As when you differentiate cos x, it will give you minus sine x. That's when you differentiate cos x, it will give you what? Minus sine x. Okay? Don't forget that I told you that integration is what? Is the antiderivative. Are you getting it? Or the inverse, or the inverse of differentiation. Okay? Now we have the u over the s. When you differentiate this one, we have minus sine x. So what is the next thing? You just put this guy, make the s the subject of the formula. When you make the s the subject of the formula, you are going to have the s equals to minus, we have the u over what? Over sine x. That is when you make the s the subject of the formula. So what is the next thing? Just come back here as integral what? Sine x divides, what is your cos? We said cos is what? We said cos is u. So we have u, then dot, what is the s? The s is what? Is minus sine x. We have minus the x. The x is what? Minus the u over what? Sine x. That is the x. Okay? So sine x will cancel sine x. You now have minus the u over what? Over u. Now when you integrate this now, we have minus in what? In u, then plus c. That is, when you integrate 1 over what? Over s, it will give you in s plus c. So the same thing with the u over what? Over the u divided by u, it will give you in u plus c. And what is your u? What is u? We said u is what? Is cos x, then plus c. Therefore, when you integrate tan x dx, you have what? Minus in s cos x plus c. So that is the answer to today's question. Okay? Please always follow for more. Thank you.